Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting episode where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today's word is dentist, a common and important noun, especially when it comes to taking care of our pearly whites. So what exactly is a dentist? Well, in simple terms, a dentist is a doctor who specializes in the care of teeth and gums. They diagnose and treat problems like cavities, gum disease, and other oral health issues. They also perform procedures like fillings, extractions, and cleanings. Think of them as tooth doctors. You might say, I have an appointment with a dentist next week for a checkup. Or, my dentist recommended that I brush my teeth twice a day. Now, let's explore some words that have similar meanings, also known as synonyms. A close synonym for dentist is dental surgeon. For example, the dental surgeon performed a complicated root canal. Another synonym could be orthodontist, although this is a more specialized field. An orthodontist focuses on straightening teeth and correcting bite issues. You could say, my orthodontist is adjusting my braces today. Now, what about antonyms? Are there words that have the opposite meaning of dentist? Well, not directly, but we can think about people who might work alongside a dentist but have different roles. For example, a patient is someone who receives dental care, so in a way, they are the opposite of the dentist who provides the care. Consider the sentence, the patient was nervous before their dental appointment. Another contrasting role is a dental hygienist. While not a dentist, a dental hygienist cleans teeth and provides preventative care under the supervision of a dentist. An example, the dental hygienist gave me tips on how to floss correctly. Now, let's look at how we can use the word dentist in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend and you say, I chipped a tooth, so I need to call my dentist. Or you might tell your family, remember to brush your teeth well, so we don't have to visit the dentist too often. You might hear someone say, going to the dentist is not my favorite thing to do, but it's important for my health. Here are some more usage examples of dentist in sentences and phrases. My mom is a dentist. The dentist recommended a fluoride treatment. I am afraid of the dentist. Finding a good dentist is essential for oral hygiene. The dentist explained the procedure clearly before starting. Visiting the dentist regularly can prevent serious dental problems. The dentist's office is located downtown. I have a cleaning scheduled with the dentist at 3 p.m. He wants to become a dentist when he grows up. She is studying to be a dentist at the university. The children were well behaved at the dentist's office. A good dentist should be patient and understanding. The dentist used special tools to examine my teeth. My dentist is very skilled and gentle. I trust my dentist completely. I need to make an appointment with the dentist for a filling. The dentist showed me how to properly floss. The dentist said my teeth are healthy. The dentist advised me to use a soft toothbrush. Seeing the dentist can be expensive. The dentist gave me a new toothbrush after my cleaning. The dentist suggested a mouthwash to prevent gum disease. The dentist works long hours. The dentist is a respected member of the community. The dentist keeps up to date with the latest dental technology. The dentist cares about the well-being of their patients. The dentist wears a mask and gloves for protection. The dentist uses X-rays to check for hidden problems. The dentist has a friendly and welcoming personality. So, to recap, a dentist is a doctor who specializes in the care of teeth and gums. We also discussed synonyms like dental surgeon and orthodontist, and contrasting roles like patient and dental hygienist. We explored how the word dentist is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. Now, for a fun challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word dentist and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see your creative sentences. Until next time, happy learning!